So it says, Halachah number 10, every student with a proper character will not speak in front of anyone who is wiser than he is, even though he has not learned anything from him. It's a very deep halacha, so let's try to explain. Every student with a proper character, what does it mean? Whose intellect and emotions are well trained. Rambam commentary to Mishnah, Avos 5:6. So meaning he can hold himself back, right? Intellect and emotions. Some people that jump into conversation and start answering the question even though they did not hear the question, right? So one more time, every student with a proper character will not speak in front of anyone who is wiser than he is. Commentary. So in Pirkei Avos states, there are 7 traits that characterize an undeveloped person and 7 that characterize a wise man. A wise man does not speak in the presence of anyone who is wiser than him. So let somebody is wise, so let him speak. Let me be quiet. Continue. Even though he has not learned anything from him. Right? So I know that he is wiser than me. Let him talk. I'm going to listen. Number 7. This is Rambam's own edition. Very interesting. Even if he did not learn anything from him. But I know that this person is a great scholar. I did not learn. I just heard from other people. I did not learn anything from him. Does not change the reality. Okay.